I'll show you how to add your Gmail account to Outlook Office 365. It only takes a few minutes, and once it's set up, you'll have everything in one place. So, yeah, let's get started. First, open Outlook on your desktop. Make sure it's the desktop version, not the web app, since, the steps can be a little different. Now, head up to the top right corner and click on the small gear icon. That's a settings button. Once you click, a menu or sidebar will pop out with a bunch of options. In that menu, look for the option that says Add Account. Go ahead and click it. This starts the setup wizard. Basically a step-by-step helper for adding new accounts. Next, type in your Gmail address. Be careful here. Double check spelling because even one wrong letter can break the setup. Outlook should recognize it's a Gmail account and move you to the sign-in screen. Just enter your Gmail password, then follow any extra sign-in prompts from Google. Google may ask for verification, like a code on your phone. Don't skip this. It's just a quick security step to make sure it's really you. After that, you'll see a list of permissions. Outlook needs access to your email, contacts, and calendar. Click Allow. Otherwise, the integration won't work properly. Once you've confirmed, Outlook will finish the setup and you'll see a success message. From here, you can send and receive Gmail right inside Outlook, just like any other account. And that's it. You've added Gmail to Outlook Office 365. Pretty quick, right? If something doesn't work, check your internet or look up Gmail and Outlook troubleshooting guides. Thanks for watching and enjoy having all your email in one place.